Hi there, welcome back to Viskon 16, and here's a quick tip for you. If you want to make free markings on your 3D elements, you can do this easily with this tool, Set Free Marking. If you click on it, you can see up here you have lots of options how you can do different markings. Let's use now the individual component. You click on your first element in your first piece, which will indicate the two sides, the two markings, and the other component will be the target where the markings will be made. You can use a bird's mouth carving a little groove on the place of your markings if you want to. You can make it deeper or a little bit shallow if you want. I will use a simple line for now. Click OK. And if you hide this element, you can see those two markings, two blue lines. These are your new markings. If I show all, I can now make new markings based on the position of this upper smaller element. I want this contour, the contour of this piece, down here on this plane, on this surface. I can do this by selecting free markings and the mark edges option. I click on it and you can see the red lines which indicates the edge which will be projected down here on this surface later. I click on this edge, click on the target element and the plane where I want to make the marking. And I'll do on all four edges. Element and the plane. Select the edge, the target, and there it is. Another edge. And here we have the contour of our smaller element. As you can see, it doesn't matter if it touches each other or they are apart. You can always set your markings with this tool, and if you want, you can easily mark the center of any piece, any flat surface. As you can see, this is the center line. There is another, here's another one. So you can easily make a center marking with 2 clicks. And this is how you can use and how you can create free markings in Viskon 16.